Today we are testing Gemini Omni Flash on Artlist, which is the sponsor of this video. We upload real footage and editing like a real cinematic production, changing the background, replacing clothing, adding realistic effects, or insert objects from reference images. And we keep the original motion, camera movement, expressions, and scene structure. So instead of using different tools, with Gemini Omni Flash you can edit your real footage like an AI video editor for existing footage just by prompting. Let's go in. So first you go on artlist.io. Here you have an overview about the tool. You have a ton of features like an AI toolkit, AI image, video, music generation. In this video we'll focus on the Gemini Omni Flash update. Just click on the top. Now you see some community results here. They are all amazing, as you can see here. On the bottom you have your chat box with the different features. Make sure video is selected. Gemini Omni Flash, you have different ratios, durations. You can upload image references, video references, or start and end frames. We will use Gemini Omni Flash to edit our existing footage. So first we want to create some footage. We will use Seedance 2.0 for it. So we have a prompt of a handheld shot of a man in his early 30s standing on a bridge above a calm river. He's looking into the camera and speaking. Just hit generate. So he generated our footage for editing it later. Let's look at it.
From this bridge are just incredible, aren't they? Look at how the river flows down there and the architecture on the other side, blending the old clock tower with the modern skyscrapers. It really is a masterpiece of design.
This is already amazing, high quality, realistic, lip sync on point, character. Now we can click edit. He's adding our video here as video reference. And now we have the Gemini Omni Flash prompt. Keep the man bridge all the same, but transform the calm river into a massive tsunami. The wave should splash on the bridge. As you can see, the duration is on auto. So Gemini Omni Flash will take the whole existing footage, hit generate, and the result for this is just astonishing. Look at this.
Aren't they? Look at how the river flows down there and the architecture on the other side, blending the old clock tower with the modern skyscrapers. It really is a masterpiece.
As you can see, he splashes on the bridge. Physics are correct. Gemini Omni Flash recognizes the objects in the video and editing it just perfectly here. On the right you see it's just amazing how detailed this is and water physics are the most advanced ones. Crazy good. Here another example. We have a calm river, nice scene, slight wind moves clothing and hair, and we want to transform it into a heavy storm. And as you can see, he transformed the whole weather into a heavy storm, rainy, the rain hitting the lands, the river is not calm anymore. Just awesome. Here another example of an empty apartment with a woman walking through it. As you can see on the left, there is a poor kitchen, no furnitures here. And we told Gemini Omni Flash to keep all the same, just transform the empty apartment into a modern luxury interior with realistic furniture. And as you can see, he transformed not only the empty apartment here, also the small details like the left room here. He also added it in the luxury interior. It's just awesome. Again here a side-by-side comparison with the empty apartment and another edit at night. Artlist and Gemini Omni Flash just nail it here. You can not only edit things, you can also edit clothings of persons, like this comparison here. On the left the original, on the right the edited one with the prompt below. A black hoodie, all keeps the same, just changing the clothes. Awesome. Another example, a woman walks through a city and we just changed the whole city behind her.
You know, people always rush through this city, but there's something so beautiful about the energy, the architecture, just being out here.
Everything else keeps the same. He not only replaced the background, he also adjusted the lighting on the person in this scene. It's just hilarious. So another advanced example. So now we generate the different videos of a woman drinking a coffee in a bar. The cup has no logo on it. And now we add an image reference, our IG cup, and he should replace the cup in the video. And here is the result. Just astonishing. The logo, text is clear. He kept all the same, just replacing our image reference with the desired object in the video. Nice. Here another example. we have this woman drinking from a cup, and we wanted to replace the cup with a glass of water as image reference. And here is the finished result. And again, Gemini Omni Flash is just amazing. Even the water in the glass, the physics are correct. Awesome. Now we make multiple edits to this original footage. Let's look at it. First, we try to replace the background and the clothing in one prompt. As you can see here, same person, same pose, same motion, just replacing the scene and the clothing. Even the mirror image here is working exactly. Awesome, no deformation, no crazy other poses. Here we said we want to keep the person again, but replace it with a Japanese monk robes and a Japanese monastery setting. Again, he just nailed it. If you like Gemini Omni Flash on Artlist, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.